everyone! You're going to be doing some letter sound activities this week. So I wanted to go over the letters we'll be looking at, the sounds they make, and some words that go along with those sounds, so you'll be ready when you start your activity. The first letter is O. O. Ah, oo, O. And some words that go along with the letter O are open, ocean, oatmeal. The next letter is B. 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 Some words that go with the letter B are buy, bank, and banana. The next letter we're looking at is the letter K. 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 And some words that go with K are key, kitchen, ketchup. Our next letter is the letter L. L. O. Some words that go with that letter are lock, library, lunch. Our next letter we're looking at is the letter R. R. Make sure you pucker your lips when you say that And some words that go along with the letter R are road, rat, restaurant. The next letter is the letter W. 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 And the words we're looking at today are wallet, work, wash. The next letters that we're looking at is a PL blend, and that says pl, pl, as in plum, planet, and playground. So when you go ahead and you do your activity, you'll know what's going to fit into those boxes. Okay, good luck.